So Faith, this is a blues poem for my mom. Let's see how we can get this on. So Faith ain't got no eyes, but she got long legs. The Faith ain't got no eyes, but she got long legs. They gotta get around, my mama don't cry. But even when daddy beat her, even when daddy cheated, oh mama don't shed no tears. And even though he come home smelling like alcohol, oh mama don't have no fear. She take the keys to the, I feel so bad singing this like this, y'all. This is terrible. You know me and I say things like that, terrible. Let's see what we do. She take the keys to the car and hide them in the backyard, and that's when all the fussing starts. She said, babe, where the keys, because I'm ready to leave. We want the slow, we want the school version though. He said, babe, where the keys, because I'm ready to leave. And that's when old mama got caught. She looked into his eyes and wasn't no surprise. He took the anger out on the face. A right jab to the nose and then a couple of blows, and there was blood all over the place. And so we sat on the bed, cause I was truly amazed. Look, my daddy left us that day. He said he cared more about his liquor than me and my sister, but I really wanted daddy to stay. And so we prayed and we prayed. Then my poor mama said that daddy had to go away. But after months he came home, he was sober and strong, and mama took him back again. It's terrible. He never raised his hand, cause if he did, he would land in a grave. That's what mama said. But how you stay there that long when you know he was wrong? She said you had to have a little faith. Cause faith ain't got no eyes, but she got long legs. That's probably why my mama stand proud. But faith ain't got no eyes, but she got